I got this one from Amazon. So it says 30 dinosaurs, 6 puzzle games. It came with some stickers, but I left them out there. But they're just stickers of the dinosaurs. There's the front and the back. Came in a box with like the same picture on front. So it does come like, you can wrap it. Not just brown box. So it tells like pronunciations, meanings, period, diet, location, size, and weight, and they have those. I don't know if I guess you could put the pictures on there. It does come with a like dry erase pen as well. So it goes through all of them. A couple of interesting facts. Okay, so there's a maze. That's why they have the pen. That's cool. And then these, so that your stickers. Yeah, you can put your stickers here. Okay, cool. So then they have some math. So, the on button is here.
Supersaurus. Supersaurus. Tyrannosaurus. 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 Velociraptor.
So this does all those, but then it'll do some music.
Where is the Dimetrodon?
So you could be like Dimetrodon, which one's the Dimetrodon? This one, so we could be.
Where is the Dimetrodon? Yes, you are great.
Okay.
Where is the Spinosaurus?
Oh, that's cool. And then it has a volume, and then that's it. Yeah, it's a good little book. My son's already really liking it. Check it out.
So these is the music, these are the questions, this is the volume, and this is the dinosaur that makes sound. You can also say the dinosaur. So like this is what sound it would make, and the music, this is what it will make for the music. This is what it will also make. You also know the next one.
Where is the Kentrosaurus?
Click on the correct one.
Wrong.
If it
Try
says
again.
wrong,
Where is the Kentrosaurus?
try again. And also,
No. Keep trying. Which one is the largest size? Wrong. Try again. Which one is the largest size? Yes, you are great.
this is how you
Where
make
is
it
the
correct.
Rex?
The Tyrannosaurus. It has huge mouth full of jaws and is the strongest bite of any known animal. Its strong bite was the bite force of a great white shark, and its tail might have been a whip to whip out people, and its claws are so sharp that it can scrap things, but it also had used its weight as a weapon. Getting pushed on something would make it also, this is the contents, the table of contents. And also, these type of things are addition tables, subtraction tables, or try to find out and match these ones for shadows, or try to find what's the difference, or try to go from here to find, to go here, or try to put the stickers on here and try to learn to color with it, or try to do math on this, like this one, called plus or takeaway.
Therizinosaurs. Therizinosaurs. Ceratosaurus. Ceratosaurus. Imentosaurus. Pachycephalosaurus. Megalosaurus. Where is the Ementosaurus? Wrong. Try again. Where is the Ementosaurus? No. Keep trying. Where is the Velociraptor. Velociraptor.
Ancient Time Dinosaur Study Book. I like parts of this. Like, I like the variety and I like some of the information on it, but the voice, the voiceover or pronunciation is the horrible part. And that's what I was really looking forward to for my boy to learn all the dinosaur names. So, for example, here, we'll do this one. Parasaurolophus. So, Parasaurolophus. What did they say?
Parasaurolophus.
What? Parasaurolophus.
Parasaurolophus.
No. I mean, most of these are pretty bad. We'll just do the next, whatever comes up next. So here, Pentaceratops. And that's one we all kind of know. We all know that means ceratops. Pentaceratops.
Pentaceratops.
What? Pentacera.
Pentaceratops.
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 Horrible.
Pentaceratops.
Anyway, most of these are like this. I would never buy again.
Tyrannosaurs. Velociraptor. Fishes, fishes, where are you? Can you show me where they are? Fishes, fishes, there they are. Some are swimming in the pond.
These are thick pages.
Stools, just like you guys stand on that one. She's standing on this one. And
It's a hard page book, and then it has music. It has Q&A, volume button, which is important because it's really loud. See? Yeah, it's volume.
Look at these two ounce cards.
Megalosaurus.
And this is hours, and this is sentence, and a long
Megalosaurus.
list of names. Yes, to read all of it.
This does take battery. You have to put the battery in.
All
Make sure the battery.
the list of names of students.
Dimetrodon. Gastonia. Ankylosaurus.
So I'm turning this on right now. See here?
Iguana done. Petrosaurus. Parasaurolophus.
One more time.
Parasaurolophus.
Put it off.
Parasaurolophus. Parasaurolophus. Raptor. Velociraptor.